Kung target mo din this year magkaroon ng sariling bahay, nako baka eto na yung sign mo. And I'm sure magugustuhan nyo to. Hi! Ako nga pala si Marian. And today, andito tayo ngayon sa Lucida series by Amaya Land. Eto nga pala yung house tour video para sa kanilang bare end unit na merong floor area na 50 square meter and lot area na 70 to 120 square meter. Eto naman yung pinakang extension or pwede nyong gawing laundry area. Etong kitchen sink andito na rin sa loob. Naka-tiles na rin yung bath and toilet nila. Anyway, this is under Ayala project, kaya siguradong secure at safer structures ang mga ginamit dito. At pagdating naman dito sa second floor, meron silang 2 bedrooms for your kids or you're just starting to build your own family. This is really a good investment dahil alam mong merong magandang mapupuntahan yung pera mo. Dito naman sa master's bedroom, napaka-spacious pa din. Kasyang-kasya yung queen to king size bed. And itong windows in every sides na gustuhan ko talaga. And now, andito tayo ngayon sa kanilang inner unit where I will show you their dress-up home. Ganito lang naman yung pwedeng maging itsura ng bahay mo once na mag-avail kayo nitong ating Lucida series. Just imagine kung dito mo nga ititira yung family mo, you are not just giving them a comfort life. You are giving them a happy and secured life with lots of amenities na pwedeng i-enjoy ng buong family. Hindi ito katulad ng iba because this is built with aluminum formwork technology. Kaya naman makakaasa kayo ng matibay, comfort, and modern finish. Yes, dito nyo lang yan ma-experience sa Lucida series Tayabas, Quezon. And they only accept bank financing para mas mabilis din ang pag-turnover. Very accessible at alam nyo ba, napakalapit lang nila sa lahat. Kaya naman if you're interested, you can contact our licensed agents para ma-discuss na nga sa inyo yung mga computations at kung ano ba yung magandang unit para sa'yo. That's all for today's video and see you on my next vlog.